Hello everyone, my name is Ania Kolbuszewska. Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass and to my series on giving feedback. This series of 2 practical workshops focuses on a skill which is essential for teachers, providing feedback to students. Feedback is something that we do in our work practically every day, and it includes not only correction, but also information to students on their overall progress, or if you teach children or teenagers, also on their behavior in class and attitude to learning. But feedback is no easy feat to accomplish, and it can turn into a minefield if not handled well. And so I will provide you with useful and practical information on organizing and running teacher-led feedback, as well as student-led feedback. We will examine features of effective feedback and how they translate into practical guidelines to follow when giving feedback. Join us for this practical series on what is not only a teacher skill, but a useful life skill as well.